country music legend Garth Brooks has taken a significant step in defending his reputation, as he has not only named his sexual assault accuser, but has also filed a lawsuit against her, seeking compensatory and punitive damages. According to court documents obtained by Page 6, the 62-year-old singer made the decision to take legal action after allegedly being the target of an extortion attempt that aimed to extract millions from him. The lawsuit was filed on Tuesday in the District Court for the Southern District of Mississippi Northern Division. The accuser, previously referred to as Jane Roe in earlier filings, was named publicly in this latest submission. Initially, Brooks had made efforts to keep both his and the accuser's identities private, requesting the court to allow them to remain anonymous. In an earlier filing, Brooks explained his reasoning, stating when Jane Roe threatened to publish lies about him intending to blackmail plaintiff into paying her millions of dollars, plaintiff filed this lawsuit to preserve his reputation, establish the truth, and put a stop to her scheme. The country star underscored the personal toll the situation had taken on his family, noting that he titled the lawsuit John Doe vs. Jane Roe out of respect for both his family and Roe's. However, the need for anonymity came to an abrupt end when Brooks' accuser allegedly leaked his name to the public. In response to this breach of confidentiality, Brooks filed a secondary legal document on Tuesday that included both his name and his accuser's, marking a pivotal moment in the case. The documents reveal Brooks is seeking compensation for the damage done to his reputation, as well as punitive damages designed to prevent future incidents of this nature. Specifically, he asked the court to grant compensatory damages proximately caused by defendant's intentional infliction of emotional distress, defamation, and false light invasion of privacy, including incidental and consequential damages, in addition to punitive damages that would serve as a deterrent. Despite these legal actions, Brooks made it clear in his filings that no amount of money could fully restore the damage done to his reputation. Monetary damages cannot adequately compensate for the injuries to his reputation, the lawsuit stated. In addition to the damages, Brooks is also seeking an injunction to stop his accuser from continuing her allegedly wrongful actions. The court documents emphasize that without such an injunction, Brooks would suffer irreparable harm, while his accuser would face no real hardship from being prevented from pursuing her alleged false claims. The filing also shed light on a series of letters that Brooks received from his accuser. On July 17th, she allegedly sent a letter threatening to file a lawsuit against him unless he agreed to pay her millions of dollars not to file the suit. A second letter, dated August 23rd, allegedly reiterated this demand, with the accuser offering to refrain from publicly filing her false and defamatory lawsuit in exchange for a multi-million-dollar payment. Brooks, however, has steadfastly denied all accusations of misconduct, labeling them as entirely false in his legal submissions. He has asked the court for a declaratory judgment that would officially establish the falsity of the accusations, stating unequivocally that the allegations are not true. According to Brooks, the accuser had worked for him for approximately 15 years as an independent contractor before relocating to Mississippi in 2020. He explained that their professional relationship eventually evolved into a friendship, during which the accuser encountered financial difficulties. Brooks, in an effort to help her, agreed to provide her with some financial assistance out of loyalty, friendship, and a desire to improve defendant's condition. However, the singer's court filings allege that her demands for financial help only increased over time. According to Brooks, the accuser eventually requested salaried employment and medical benefits, which he did not provide. The situation reached a breaking point when she allegedly began threatening to go public with her accusations unless he complied with her demands for money. In response to Brooks publicly naming her in his legal filings, the accuser's legal team, consisting of Douglas H. Wigdor, Gene M. Christensen, and Haley Baker, issued a scathing rebuke. Garth Brooks just revealed his true self. Out of spite and to punish, he publicly named a rape victim, the attorneys said in a statement to Page 6. With no legal justification, Brooks outed her because he thinks the laws don't apply to him. On behalf of our client, we will be moving for maximum sanctions against him immediately. The attorneys also indicated they intend to pursue the strongest possible legal actions against Brooks for what they describe as an unjustified outing of a sexual assault accuser. Brooks' recent court filings come after he made public comments to Page 6 about the situation. Last week, the singer revealed that for over 2 months he had been hassled to no end with threats, lies, and tragic tales of what my future would be if I did not write a check for many millions of dollars. He likened the experience to being blackmailed, stating, "It has been like having a loaded gun waved in my face." In a statement that reflects his firm stance against paying hush money, Brooks explained, "Hush money, no matter how much or how little, is still hush money. In my mind, that means I am admitting to behavior I am incapable of, ugly acts no human should ever do to another." As this legal battle continues to unfold, the stakes are high for both parties. Brooks is fighting not only for his reputation but also to clear his name from serious allegations. Meanwhile, his accuser's legal team is preparing to take further action in response to what they view as an unjustified and harmful legal strategy. The case has garnered widespread media attention and will likely continue to dominate headlines as it progresses. While the lawsuit seeks to expose the truth and put an end to what Brooks describes as an extortion attempt, it also highlights the complex and sensitive nature of legal battles involving accusations of sexual misconduct, extortion, and defamation.